Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for stopping by. Let me show you how I make my delicious collard greens with smoked turkey and bacon. So let's jump right in. To a large pot, I will add some bacon. Allow that to go until it's partially crispy and all of the oils are released. Once the oil is released, we will go in with some bell peppers, onions, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We'll give it a stir and allow it to go for about a minute or two. Next, we'll add 1 turkey drum. This is like the wing part, but a drumstick part of the wing. Then we will add some hot water. I am creating my own broth, so I will not be using chicken broth. We will add the water in there, then we'll go in with 1 tablespoon of better than bouillon. And I have my bowl with seasonings that I'll be using. I'm using garlic and onion powder, some chicken bouillon, some Tony's Creole seasoning, brown sugar, and some black pepper, as well as mushroom seasoning. I will also add some vinegar in there. Mix everything real well to combine. Set the lid on and allow this to cook until the turkey leg is tender. After about an hour and 30 minutes, we are now giving this a check. I think that the turkey leg is ready. It's okay for us to add our greens in here. So I will taste this to make sure that it suits my liking and it has enough seasoning in there. Now you can season this to suit your own preference. Use whatever seasoning you prefer. It doesn't have to be the ones I'm using. And this is just a guide basically. You can add your own touch and twist, and however you make your greens, do it the way you prefer. As you see me adding my greens in there, and I just want to mention that you want to make sure you wash the greens thoroughly. I think everybody know by now how to wash greens. Just wash your greens with a little bit of vinegar. If you want to add salt, you could do that, and wash them until the water runs clear. We will set the lid on and allow them to wilt. Once they wilt, we'll make sure that we mix them and make sure they are covered with that broth. Then we will set the lid on and allow it to cook for about an hour and 45 minutes. Cook it to suit your own preference. If you like it super tender, cook it that way. I like mine tender, but not to where it's mushy. So after about an hour and 40 minutes, this is how it's looking. The turkey leg has completely fallen off the bone. The meat has fallen off the bone. And that's exactly what you want. There you see me tasting to make sure that the texture is to my liking. And it was. I just turned my heat off, and that's it. That's how I make my delicious collard greens. And here you have it. Collard greens with smoked turkey leg and bacon. When I tell you this is delicious, the combination of the two is absolutely divine. I did serve it up with some smothered chicken and mashed potatoes. It was so good. I went back for seconds and thirds, and here is me just showing off how tender my chicken was, and it was just lip smacking and all types of things going on. And here you see me going in for some of the greens. It was just delicious. I hope you all give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.